Do you want to make your videos more dynamic and professional? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use keyframes in CapCut Mobile. What are we waiting for? Let's get right in. Step number 1 is to open CapCut Mobile and select an existing project or tap New Project. Import a photo or video, then place it on the timeline. Tap the clip to display the editing tools. Step number 2 is to move playhead to the point where you want the animation to begin. Tap the diamond-shaped keyframe icon to create your first keyframe. This marks the starting position of your clip or overlay. Step number 3 is to move the playhead forward to a new position on the timeline. Resize, rotate, or drag the clip anywhere on the screen. CapCut will automatically create a second keyframe and animate the movement between the 2 points. Now, it's time to play your animation to see the result. If the movement is too fast or too slow, adjust the distance between keyframe on the timeline. And that's how you use keyframes in CapCut Mobile. Thanks for watching and happy editing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless.